That would be a lie, but we have people here with us who can, in fact, tell us. Today is Linvilla Orchards. It's the Blueberry Festival, right?
Yes, it is.
All right, Judy is here to tell us about it. Good
Hi,
morning.
good morning. Nice to see you all.
Look how good this all looks.
No, we can't bake. But what can we do that's easy that we can... You cannot bake.
Oh, you can make it... How about a nice little breakfast parfait? That's a great idea.
Let's do it. Show us how to do it.
Blueberries are so good for you. They are full of antioxidants and make your skin all bright and clear. So we can add a little bit of yogurt inside a cup, maybe some blueberries, make a little blueberry parfait.
Easy and healthy.
Oh, yeah. And a little granola.
And you put it in a wine glass.
Yeah.
So it actually looks like
fancy.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, there you
put
go.
This all together.
Add just a little granola and some more yogurt and some more blueberries, and you have this great little... Not the neatest job that I've ever done in my life, but
it looks
there
good.
You go.
It looks real.
There you go.
That's what it would look like if I made it.
And then...
Now, wait, let me see this. Okay, so if I came in breakfast in bed and I was like, I made this for you.
Isn't that great?
You believe it, right?
Yeah.
It's classic. Good stuff. All right, so we can do a parfait. I'm going to put that aside so I can eat it. What else do we got here?
We have blueberry pie. I mean, if you're going to get your antioxidants, why not get them through a blueberry pie? You know?
We like the way that you think.
Yes.
And blueberry muffins have
and
to
blueberry muffins. And today is the Blueberry Festival. So today you can go to Linvilla Orchards and you can have the blueberry pie eating contest.
Okay.
Nothing like, you know.
Wait, how many
Is that like
slices?
hands behind your back?
Behind your back, facing a pie. There you go.
What's the record on that?
I don't know what the record is, but I'd sure like to try to beat it, wouldn't you?
So we've got the pie right now. Let's go for it.
Yeah.
Got the pie eating contest. What other things going on?
We have face painting, pony rides. There's a little train that'll take the kids around. Not to mention you can go fishing or pick your own. I mean, you want to pick blueberries, right?
I want to pick blueberries.
Yeah.
I like the hay rides. That's always my favorite when you go around Linvilla. And when they go out on the hay rides, what are they going and touring through now if you're going on a hay ride?
Everything is in, like,
bloom.
well, not necessarily in bloom, but everything. There's so much stuff out there to pick. We have peaches. There are flowers. You can pick your own flowers. There are blueberries, obviously, raspberries, lots of things right now. Summer squash.
And you can make jelly.
Yes, we can.
So
Today we'll be jamming with Judy. I'm Judy, and I will teach you how to make jam. So I brought you all some blueberry jam. Yeah.
Because I want to prove to Karen I could make this also.
Oh, it's so simple. Yeah, but don't tell everybody that, because you can give it away as gifts.
At Linvilla Orchards later on today.
There you go. Great.
Thank you very much.
We really appreciate it. These are absolutely fabulous and delicious. And it is a wonderful place to take the kids.